Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we just hit 30,000 subscribers and that is fantastic. Guys, thank you all for watching my videos, liking and disliking and sharing them. I would like to thank you, my subscribers, the new ones that just subscribed, and my loyal subscribers who have been with me along this journey. It's been a long road, guys. It took me 2 years to be where I am today, but hey, I'm grateful and thankful to reach these milestones, and I hope I continue to grow. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys. Now back to the video. Today we're gonna make a fried steak. Guys, it's pepper fried steak. This recipe is so good, you're gonna love it. So let's get started. You know Mama Wee doesn't like to waste time. Here in my bowl I have about 1.5 pounds of cubed ribeye steak. We're gonna go in with white pepper, followed by garlic and pepper seasoning. We're gonna also add in red pepper flakes and salt. Now using your clean hands, rub everything together until the meat is well coated with the seasoning. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat olive oil. Then as soon as it starts sizzling, add the steak cubes and fry for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, flip the steaks and add minced garlic and ginger paste. Then let it fry for another 4 minutes. The reason we call this dish pepper fried steak, guys, remember we use 3 peppers: red pepper flakes, black pepper, and white pepper. This meat, guys, is so delicious and so flavorful. We have a big announcement tomorrow, guys, on the next video. Stay tuned. Next, we're gonna go in with green onions. Stir well for a minute, then it's ready to be served. I serve mine with au, but you can serve with your favorite sauce. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.